Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 free. So first of all, head over to Start menu. From here go to Setting and then click on Update and Security. Click to check for the updates. As you can see, I have latest update pending to install. Click on Download and Install button to start the update process. We have to wait for a while to let the Windows complete the process. In the meanwhile, we will carry a 30 seconds review what new Windows 11 OS gonna offer you. Except its user-friendly interface, Windows 11 has some really cool features, a whole new media and video experience, innovative and elegant environment. You can connect with anyone with just one click. New Task View keeps you focusing on your workflow. The ultimate video gaming experience provides you a whole lot of things in new Windows 11. Now go back to the update progress. We will check for the updates again. As you can see, Windows 11 updates ready to be installed. Review the license terms, accept and click on Download button, to start the Windows 11 installation. Finally, we are ready to upgrade to Windows 11, as I have said it's free. Download and install. Wait for the progress. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Congratulations, we have successfully upgraded to Windows 11. Now we move on to step 2. As you can see, one of my PC is showing this error. This PC doesn't currently meet all the system requirements for Windows 11. So click on link with PC Health Check app. Download the PC Health Check app from Microsoft. I have provided the link in the description. Microsoft is going to end the support for Windows 10 on October 14, 2025, so we need to find out the solution before time. Now let us install the app. In case your PC or laptop is not eligible for Windows 11 stable release, then here is the possible solution to go with. So what we will do first is to check the error in detail. Once the app is installed, click on Check Now button, and later on see all results in order to check the errors in detail. So this PC is fulfilling all the requirement for Windows 11 except TPM 2.0 and processor. But the major issue is processor, as we cannot update this machine through Microsoft Stable Windows 11 Update. To resolve this issue, we will move on to another methods to update. Open up Microsoft official page to download Windows 11. Link provided in the description. Here are 3 options to choose from. Number 1, Windows 11 installation using Windows Assistant. You can check the details by expanding the tab below. The option 2 is creating installation media using bootable USB DVD. The third option is installation through Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Please don't forget to share any issue you are facing during the upgrade in the comment section below.